Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, there could be a restructuring of the Cricket West Indies Regional First Class Championships, which could include a reduction in the number of games. CWI CEO Johnny Graves says the board will be meeting to discuss, among other things, the future of the regional first class competition, which will now move to the first quarter of each year.
Don't know at this stage. That's I guess the major decision that we would have to make internally and make a recommendation to the board to approve whether we play 5 rounds like we did this year, whether we go back to what we did in 2019, 2020 and try and play 10 rounds. Obviously, it was curtailed by 1 or 2 rounds because of COVID, but the intention obviously was to play 10, or whether we have a hybrid and we play somewhere between the 5 and 10 matches.
The championship generally runs from the last quarter of each year and ends in the second quarter of the following year. Hearties was the only winner in the third St. Thomas Major League on Sunday. Hearties defeated debutants Elite SDC 2-0 at the Hearties Community Centre to record their first win in 3 attempts. York United and Bath ended 1-1 in the other game on the day. And that's it for your midday sports report. Ashane, it's back to you.
Thanks, Ronaldo. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Prime Time News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.